Hello and welcome to the first episode of our Python programming course. I'm thrilled to be your guide as we embark on this exciting journey into the world of coding. In this episode, we'll explore the fundamental question, why programming? Programming is the language of computers. Just like we use languages to communicate with each other, programming languages allow us to communicate with computers. It's the art of giving instructions to a machine, enabling it to perform tasks and solve problems. But why should you learn to program? Well, let me share a few compelling reasons. Reason number one, programming is all about problem solving. Whether you're creating a website, designing a game, or analyzing data, programming equips you with the skills to break down complex problems and devise elegant solutions. Reason number three, programming is an in-demand skill in today's tech-driven world. Whether you're interested in a career in software development, data science, or artificial intelligence, learning to program opens up a world of opportunities. Now you might be wondering, what do I need to know before starting this course? The good news is, no prerequisites are required. This course is designed for absolute beginners. Whether you're a student, professional, or someone just curious about programming, you're in the right place. We'll start from the very basics and gradually build up your programming skills. By the end of this course, you'll be amazed at what you can create with Python. Get ready to dive into the world of Python programming. If you're excited to explore the endless possibilities of coding, hit that subscribe button and let's get started together. See you in the next episode.